Here's a comprehensive review of the Apple MacBook Air M3 2024, broken down by key categories. 1. Design and build. The MacBook Air M3 continues Apple's minimalist design philosophy, featuring a sleek, ultra-thin chassis at just 0.4 inches thick and weighing 2.7 pounds. It retains the classic wedge shape and aluminum body, making it both lightweight and durable. Available in multiple colors, it feels premium and sturdy despite its thin profile. The 13.6-inch model is extremely portable, ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to work on the go. 2. Display. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display on the MacBook Air M3 is bright and sharp, offering a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels. It supports True Tone technology, which adjusts the color temperature of the display based on ambient lighting, making it easier on the eyes. However, while it excels in brightness and color accuracy, it falls short in vibrancy compared to OLED screens seen on some competitors. This makes it a great display for productivity, but maybe not the best for color-critical work like professional photo or video editing. 3. Performance. Powered by Apple's latest M3 chip, the MacBook Air M3 offers substantial performance improvements over its predecessor. The M3 chip combines an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, allowing the laptop to handle heavy multitasking and demanding workloads with ease. It scored high on benchmark tests like Geekbench 6.2, with an impressive 12,087, well above the average for its category. Real-world performance reflects these benchmarks. The MacBook Air M3 handles everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and office applications effortlessly, while also being capable of more intensive tasks such as video editing, light gaming, and 3D rendering. It also features faster SSD speeds, with read/write performance of up to 3030, 7x3, 0.5, 8.8 Mbps, which ensures smooth data transfer and snappy boot times. 4. Battery life. One of the standout features of the MacBook Air M3 is its battery life. Thanks to the efficiency of the M3 chip, it boasts over 15 hours of battery life on a single charge under standard use, such as web browsing, video playback, and productivity tasks. This makes it one of the longest-lasting laptops in its category, perfect for users who are constantly on the move and might not have easy access to charging outlets. 5. Keyboard and trackpad. Apple has maintained the same comfortable and reliable Magic Keyboard on the MacBook Air M3. The keys are well-spaced and provide satisfying tactile feedback, making typing for extended periods comfortable. It also includes a Touch ID sensor integrated into the power button, which allows for quick and secure logins. The Force Touch trackpad is large and precise, offering smooth scrolling and accurate gesture recognition. It's considered one of the best trackpads in the laptop market, providing a fluid user experience, whether you're navigating through apps or using creative software. 6. Ports. A potential downside of the MacBook Air M3 is its limited port selection. It comes with 2 Thunderbolt/USB-C ports and a MagSafe 3 charging port, which frees up the Thunderbolt ports when charging. However, the lack of diversity in ports might be an issue for users who need to connect multiple peripherals simultaneously, such as external drives, displays, or a mouse. This can be addressed with an additional USB-C hub, but it's something to consider. 7. Audio and webcam. The MacBook Air M3 continues Apple's tradition of providing high-quality audio. The laptop includes a 4-speaker system with spatial audio support, which delivers clear, balanced sound that's suitable for media consumption, video calls, or casual music listening. However, as with most thin laptops, it lacks deep bass. The 1080p FaceTime HD webcam is a notable improvement over older models, and it performs well even in low-light conditions. With the help of Apple's advanced image signal processing and software, video quality is sharp and colors appear natural. It's ideal for video conferencing and virtual meetings. 8. Software and ecosystem. The MacBook Air M3 ships with macOS Sonoma, Apple's latest operating system. macOS is optimized for performance with Apple Silicon, ensuring a smooth and fluid user experience. It comes with a host of built-in apps, seamless integration with other Apple devices through continuity, handoff, and AirDrop, and regular updates that keep the system secure and feature-rich. For users who already own other Apple products like the iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, the MacBook Air M3 integrates effortlessly into the Apple ecosystem. This allows for cross-device functionality, like answering phone calls, receiving text messages, or copying and pasting between devices. 9. Heat management. The MacBook Air M3 is a fanless laptop, which means it operates silently even under load. Despite its thin design, the M3 chip's energy efficiency ensures that the laptop remains cool during regular tasks. However, during more intensive workloads such as gaming or video editing, the laptop can get warm, although it stays within acceptable thermal limits. 10. Price and configurations. The base model of the MacBook Air M3 starts at $1,099 and comes with 8 GB of unified memory and 256 GB of SSD storage. While this is adequate for most users, those who handle more demanding tasks or large file storage may want to consider upgrading to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB or 1 TB of storage, which comes at an additional cost. The higher configurations can push the price beyond $1,500, but they offer significantly better performance for professional use cases. For users on a tighter budget, Apple still offers the previous generation MacBook Air M2, which starts at a lower price of $999. This model is slightly less powerful, but remains a solid option for general use. 11. Conclusion. The Apple MacBook Air M3 is an impressive, highly portable laptop that strikes an excellent balance between power, design, and battery life. It's ideal for students, professionals, and casual users alike, offering solid performance for everyday tasks, media consumption, and even some creative work. While it's not the cheapest option, it provides great value for its price, especially with the new M3 chip delivering impressive improvements over the M2 model. The main downsides are its limited port selection and the absence of an OLED display, but these are minor trade-offs for what is otherwise one of the best laptops of 2024.